Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix security restrictions on Snapchat. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First thing you need to do is hold on Snapchat and tap on that I button on the left side. Tap on storage, and at the bottom is the clear data. Tap on it and tap on clear the cache memory. Tap on OK. Once the cache memory has been cleared, go to the home page and open up Play Store. Now at the bottom right is search. Simply search for Snapchat and simply make sure that it is updated, if not updated first, and then refresh it. And that is it. That is how you can fix security restrictions on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.